Welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, consider subscribing to the subscribe button and turn the notification icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So on today's design, we'll be making a birthday flyer. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Let me go and show you the app we'll be using. Of course, you know the app. This is photoeditor and pixellab. That's the two apps I'm making use of. So we'll start with photoeditor. When you open your photoeditor, this is how the app looks like. If this is your first time watching the video, this is photoeditor, and this is how the updated one, this is how it looks like. So the next thing you do from here is come from gallery, select, then allow the thing to open. Okay, it's from here that we see the background we used. It's from here. I think we've passed the background already. I think this is it here. This is the background. So once you bring in this background like this, you will come and crop it from here. Crop it. So this is good. This is okay. So look at what you do now. You now bring in the picture. If you want to bring in the picture, this is the tools that is in this pixellab, this photo editor. So it's from this text/image. That's where you will bring in the picture. Then click on this plus icon here. Click on this one. Then click on this A icon here. Then select this. I think you can also go straight from here, which is this. Then you go on there. Snap edit. That's the name of the font, the name of the app I'm using to take out the background. So this is it. Once you bring in the image that does not have background, this is how it looks like. So from here now, you click on this thing that looks like painting. This one now. You increase the exposure. Just be watching. You see, the sharpness of this picture is coming out because I have increased the exposure, and this is good. Click apply. You have applied this thing on this picture. So from here now, this is what you will do again. Click on this A icon here, this one, and this thing will come out. Once this thing come out, you click on this S icon again, and this thing will be like this. Click on this side. You see, once you click on this, then now you click on this blush here. So this is set now. Then you start cleaning. This is the best way to blend the picture to the background. This is it. just like people that is using ColorDraw. If you want to blend pictures, you use transparent tool. So this is our transparent tool here. This is cool. Let me decrease this thing so that you see that this thing has been blend to the background. Green this very well. Okay, so this is cool. This is okay. So from here also you bring in that flower. We already have the PNG file of that flower, so no stress. Look at it. This is the flower. You do the same thing to this flower exposure so that the thing will look very sharp. You can edit and make your picture to look very good using this app. So bring this one like this, click on this place. You see the place I touched, this place now. Then drag this thing down. If you want to drag it, you drag it from this place that has three lines. Touch this place, touch and hold. Once you touch and hold, you can move it any place. So that's it. So the next thing you do here is we have to change the color of this flower to look something like this background. You know, once you are designing, you have to make your color and the color of your background to be the same thing. So let's see how we do it. Click on this three line here, and this thing will come out. Click on effect, click on this place, click on blend color. Once you click on this blend color, this is what you see. Come to this side that has something like gold, then click on these three dots here, increase the amount. Just be increasing the amount. Let's see. You see, we've gotten something like gold here, and this is cool. So from this picture now, I think there is something we need to do here that is very important. Look at, just increase this one, keep it here. Click on this picture now, click on effect also. You have to bring this picture to the background. You have to bring it to the background. This is too much, just reduce this. If you look at this picture has the tonation on this picture and the background is almost something, the color grading. So this is it. So if just look at this picture very well, you see that this face has something very close to this background, and that's how it's supposed to be. So from here now, let's check this flower again. This flower is still looking off from what he wants. Okay, I think it's okay. have to reduce the opacity of this flower, which is I think this is okay. It's okay like this. Then bring it outside. And the opacity of this flower is okay like this. So let's touch this picture and let's be sure. So this is okay. From here now, you will now click on good, which is okay. We have saved everything. You cannot work on it again. You cannot move this picture again because you saved it. So from here now, we'll, okay, I think there is another thing we'll add before let's see it. This is what we should add here. Just watch. Look at this thing here. Just, I want to clean some of this place, just the way I did on that picture. So this is the image I want to use. So you have to come and click on this effect, click here, click on, move this thing down to go to where there is blur. This is blur. This is how you blur your image and it will look broad. So you keep one here, then duplicate it, which is you make it to be 2. Okay, this thing still has background. Okay. Delete this one, then copy this one. That doesn't have too much background. Let's draw it. Something like this. Okay. So this is it, and this is okay. This is what we want. So you see, this thing is taking time, and that is how design used to be. And I'm using this thing to teach you how you can get it. So from here now, you will not save it again. This is okay now. Then see what you will do. Click on edit, then move this thing to this place where we have sharpen and unsharpen mask. Click on sharpen. Just be watching this thing now. You see, just be watching it. Click on this place. You see the place I touched. This place now. Once you touch it, it will has this blue color on it. Then increase this amount to the highest. If you see the sharpness of the design. Okay, let me remove the sharpness. You see the original one. You see the sharpness. That's it. Click good, and this is okay. So if you want to save it, click on this place. Then you now save it. We have saved this thing successfully. Then you come back again to pixellab. You come back to pixellab. Come back to pixellab. So what we do is let's okay. So once you come to pixellab, this is how pixellab is. Delete this thing, come down to this place and bring in this background you saved, that design you saved. Once you save it, it will have its own folder on your phone, and this is photoeditor folder, and this is the one we'll make use of, which is this. You see, this is cool and this is fine. You see those broad icon here, this is cool. So the next thing you do is to quickly place your text here, edit it, and do this. Okay, I think this is on small letter is. Then click on bold to bold it. Come to font, change the font. This is the font we used. Okay, this is the font we use. Copy this, edit this one. This one should be birthday. Then bring it here, change the font. This is not the font. Okay, this is not the font. Once you see the font, you will know this is the font. This Mato Elegant font, this one now, and that's it. Okay, then copy the first one again, and you see this is, I'm just making use of 2 fonts for now. Once you are doing design, don't make use of more than 3 fonts so that your design will not look bad. Highest font usage is 3. Just use 3 fonts on your design, and your design will look good. Reduce the size of this name, then reduce the size of this happy birthday. Okay, you see, this is good. Then bring a circle. This circle now, click OK like this. This is, look at what I want to do. Once you create a circle like this, come over to relative position. Click on this place now. This picture will be at the center of this design. You see, the thing is at the center. So that's it. You copy it again, keep it somewhere here, then touch this one, this first one. Reduce the opacity of this first one like this. Then bring this one here, reduce the size of this one small. Come over to relative position, touch this place too, touch this one. Then everything will come at the center like this. Look at what I did. Relative position, touch the down part, touch the upside on this middle one, and that's cool. So you now Okay, we now group these two together like this, then bring in another text, keep it here, do 24th February 2024. Use black, bold this and this, use this, okay. Then come over to this place, align it to the center and increase it. Then use relative position to bring it to the center. So everything is now on the center page. Then group these two. Once you group something like this, once you mark it like this, click on this place now. Then it will ask you, are you sure you want to merge the selected object? Click yes, which is okay, and that's cool. So keep this here. Okay, then the last thing is to bring in two pictures here. Let's do that quickly. This, click on this ratio, 1:1 ratio. Bring this picture up, click on this circle here. That's how you power clip something inside a circle. You see, the picture is now inside a circle. Keep it here. Bring in another one, which is this. Do the same thing, 1:1 up, circle, and we are good to go. Let's see the size of this. 18. This one should be 18 too. So create a circle again. This is how to create a circle. Then reduce the opacity to this. Then bring this on this side. Send it to the back. Then move it close like this. This is cool. Then copy it. Keep this one here. Move this on this side. Send it to the back. And this is cool. So you see how I got that. So let's set it very well. Okay, move this up. And this is cool. So you see how I got that design. This is how I got the design. It's very simple. Just need to watch the video. If it's difficult for you, you watch it again and again and you get it. So that's how I got this design. If you find this video interesting, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, share to your friends too. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time in my next video.